Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to the latest episode of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Silvergate Capital is winding down and liquidating Silvergate Bank. BitDigital is forming a joint venture with Mega Matrix Corp. And Bakkt has announced a deal with Caesars Entertainment. But just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so Silvergate Capital Corporation, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol SI, has announced its intent to wind down operations and voluntarily liquidate Silvergate Bank and to discontinue, as well, the Silvergate Exchange Network, or SEN. Citing recent industry and regulatory developments, the company, quote, believes that an orderly wind down of bank operations and a voluntary liquidation of the bank is the best path forward, end quote. The actual press release is quite brief, but an article from Cointelegraph points out that, quote, many crypto firms, including Coinbase, Paxos, Gemini, Bitstamp, and Galaxy Digital, had announced in March they would cut ties to the bank, Silvergate Bank, following an investigation into Silvergate's alleged involvement in the collapse of FTX, end quote. Next up, BitDigital Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq as BTBT, has announced the formation of a joint venture with Mega Matrix Corp., which trades on the NYSE as MPU, to jointly develop proof-of-stake technology tools for digital assets. This is to be done through entering into a shareholders agreement with the joint venture Mars Protocol Technologies. Sam Tabar, the chief strategy officer of BitDigital, said, quote, we are excited to partner with Mega Matrix to jointly explore the digital asset staking technology business. Our intention for this joint venture is to provide world-class digital asset staking technology. We are bullish on the Ethereum network and believe our Ethereum staking strategy is an ideal complement to our core Bitcoin mining business, end quote. Lastly, for today, Bakkt Holdings Inc., which trades on the NYSE under the ticker symbol BKKT, has announced a deal with casino entertainment giant Caesars Entertainment Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq as CZR, which will allow Caesars Rewards members the ability to redeem their rewards credits through Bakkt crypto rewards, pending regulatory approval. Now, the two firms will also continue to explore and innovate around Bakkt's existing suite of cryptocurrency solutions. Bakkt's chief marketing and sales officer, Mark Elliott, said the following, quote, as today's customers grow to be increasingly savvier online, we look forward to offering new crypto options to millions of Caesars customers. We're thrilled to solidify our relationship with Caesars with the naming of Bakkt Theater and the integration of Bakkt crypto rewards into the Caesars Rewards program, end quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences. For more information, visit apptechcorp.com. AppTech trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol APCX.